All right, here we go. I'm gonna do a shaved breakfast pork sausage. I'm using it's an 8-pound pork butt with a bone-in pork butt. I'm gonna slice it all out between an 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch thick. Stack it up. I'm weighing it right here. Measuring my spices out. I'll show you what I did over there. I went heavier than the spice ratio would call for. Rubbing it all down, getting it spread out, making it awesome. Pat it all in, get it all rubbed in there real good. Lost my El Pastor stack spike thanks to my grandson, so I'm going to tie it all up with peppers in between. Put a massive amount of every color of pepper you can find in it. Here I'm using a butcher block, or butcher paper made for grilling. And I'm super impressed with it. The guy told me to do that instead of aluminum foil because it'll still breathe. I really like it. I pinned all that paper in with my 4 different temperature spikes. Drop some water in the bottom of the smoker. Smoker's rolling. Drop it in there. It was about a 10-hour smoke. Pay attention to your temperatures. Cutting it all apart. Watch the magic happen. Shave it super thin. Thin as you can possibly shave it. Chop it up. That way when you're biting your burritos, everything doesn't drag out in between. Chop it all up. Everything's meal prepped in bags in the freezer right now as we speak. I'm using AC Legg's Incorporated pork sausage seasoning number 10. It's the only sausage seasoning I use anymore. Once I found it, this is what I grew up on. We were making pork sausages as a child. This is the best stuff ever. Some pickled jalapeños here, making it happen. I like to add them in later, that way I'm not cooking them down too much. I love the taste of the pickle. Get the flat top or pan nice and hot, throw some cheese down, get it frying out to have some burnt cheese with a burrito on top. Get it setting real good. I rushed it a little too much. ADHD. It works out, you'll see. And made a mess. Don't waste that burnt cheese. All right, here we go. Breakfast burritos, a Brussels sprout salsa with chia seeds, and a jalapeno beet dip with sweet potatoes in it for Taco Tuesday every Wednesday. This takes it to a whole new level. This shredded breakfast pork is really, really good. It's also dripping. Ooh, that hollandaise sauce hits. You can't go wrong with this. This is good. All right, see you next Wednesday.